Hey, it's Nick with Wipe Clean here to talk to you today quickly about gutter cleaning and why it's important. Now, before we get into that, I wanted to let you know that we are offering gutter caulking this year. So if you have any caulking that you think has been weathered and is not doing its job properly anymore, please give me a shout and we can come there and fix that up for you. If you have any icy patches around in the winter, that is definitely because the caulking has gone. So give us a shout and we can help you with that. Now, gutter cleaning. The main reasons you want to have your gutters cleaned, the number one main reason I should say, is you don't want your basement to flood. Cracks in the foundation of the house can happen, and with water saturating the ground around the house, water can seep in. So you want all the water pushed as far away from the house as possible. Now, when a downspout gets clogged, sometimes what can happen is water will waterfall over, and if you have a basement window well close by, it can actually fill that up, bringing water into the house. I know this because it happened to my mom's house so many times as a kid growing up. I was always bailing out water, always up on the roof cleaning the eaves in a rainstorm. It was terrible. I don't want that to happen to any of you. That's why I am providing this knowledge to you to let everybody know why to clean their gutters. The second thing that can happen is the water rushing over on the back side of the house, the side closest to your home. It can get the wood wet there, and that can lead to the wood rotting, which is very costly to repair. It can also get the insulation inside of your house wet, and that can lead to mold inside your home, and it's just a plethora of bad things that you do not want happening to you. So give me a shout. I'd love to help you out, clean your gutters for you, whatever you need done, caulking. We are here to help. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.